Okay, we had a big storm last night, and when I came in, I moved some branches away. Every time there's a storm, something falls in the dog park. So I'm trying to see what damage was done. Hopefully we can get through the path. I imagine it's going to be super muddy from all the rain, but I don't know. Some branches are on the trail that fell down. We have some mud right there. Oh, here it comes. Big puddles. Oh, there we go. Good thing I have water shoes. Oh, it's cold. Oh. So far, it's not looking too bad for the pathway. This tree right here is down. Wow, this grew a lot right here. Ooh. This is new, I think. This right here is down. The sun's been out all morning, so maybe it dried some of it up. This is going pretty quick today. Water flow. Drink time. Today in Coatesville, in my area, it started at 11. I wanted to kind of get here before that all started. There's a protest going on. today. I heard there was some peaceful protests going on around First Ave today, but this one's going from about 13th Ave all the way to 4th or 3rd, where the police station is. There's supposed to be peaceful protests. Hopefully it will be. We got this huge puddle right here. I'm going around this way. On the other side, ow! Oh, I got hit with that 7-minute itch, I think. No, I don't see it. Well, something bit me. I don't know what it was. Felt like a pinch. Are you waiting for me, Ben? Good boy. Yeah, it's gonna be... Usually it's okay to get across here, but from all the rain, usually come up here. It's a little better. There we go. I'm thinking maybe on the way back I might catch some of the protest, because usually that's the route I drive to get here. Hopefully it's peaceful. I know in Philly they were lighting things on fire, blowing things up, cars were on fire. So my dad's a little afraid that might happen here. He doesn't live in that kind of an area. He lives in a really nice area. Oh my goodness, I probably should have used bug spray in here, because the mosquitoes are really coming out a little bit. There was a couple years when I couldn't even walk through here at all. I stayed out of the woods. It was so bad. But I guess you're gonna get them here and there. Just walked through a cobweb. Okay, so I'm thinking that I might hit that protest on the way back and see what's going on. And hopefully it's peaceful. I'd really like to talk about what happened with George Floyd and so many other people. It's just so sad that things like that still happen. It's really hard to talk about. I just get so emotional because it's just, I don't even know what to say. Well, it looks like this tree fell down. Come here, Bob. We can't go that way. Anyway, it just needs to stop. All that senselessness. one of my friends put a video out on Instagram, and it was really emotional. I just happened to see somebody put a rap together of so many different people that this has happened to, not really long ago, I mean through the years, but recent years, I guess. And all the people that protest, every time something like this happens, it just keeps happening. And I don't know, they got to do something. Like, I think that they need to, I don't know, do psychological testing on the police officers. Now, don't get me wrong, it's hard being a cop. Like, you know, it's scary. You don't know what people are going to do on the other side, but this was blatantly wrongdoing. I mean, a lot of these cases, all of them that I've seen in the rap are just uncalled for. I've seen cops do things, I've known cops do things that were unnecessary to my own child when he was very young, but you know, and they have busted up property, broke fingers. I mean, that police station, as far as I know, closed down years back after that happened. But some of the police officers are here in Coatesville. They were transferred here. So, I don't know if they're still here or not. But this was about 6 years ago when I first moved here that I saw one of them. And, you know, they just can't let police officers be on the force that just have like power struggles or prejudice issues. You know, it's just not right. Like, people are people, you know. I just can't, I don't get it. I never did. You know, we're all people. It doesn't matter what your color, your religion, any of that. But apparently it still does for a lot of people. And it just has to stop. I think that's all I'm going to say on that matter for now. Okay. So we're coming out of the woods right now. Let's get this closer. Huh, you waiting for me, Belle? Good girl. Where you at, Ben Ben? Come on, Ben. Oh, I hear some other dogs out here. Sounds like a little one. We're really not supposed to be in the park yet. It's not quite open. I heard that the pools are going to open this weekend. I think whatever, the 13th or something. Some of the pools. Like, don't get me wrong, we're still getting cases. COVID cases. But, and there's still going to have to be social distance rules. But it's a little scary. There's another branch on the ground. Almost tripped over it. Yesterday I came here right before the storm started. I was here like 5 minutes and had to leave because it got really dark. The wind came. I got in the car just in time. Let's go around this way, Ben. That's going kind of fast. If you get in there, you're going to be floating downstream. Come on. Let's go this way. We'll go around the corner to the water so we can get a drink. Where'd the buster go? Oh, he's over there. There's these two little dogs. Oh my God, they're so cute. I don't know where they went. Oh, see, there's the one with the ball in his mouth. You gonna get in the water, Belle? I know that big dog just went in. Okay, so we're back in the van now, getting ready to go. And I think I'll just drive through and see what's going on. Oh, it's so hot out today. Oh my God. Now maybe I'll see what's going on with the protests on the way back. We'll see.
And gave him 20 years in prison. 20 years in prison. 26 years before the Obama administration came in and changed those laws. This fight does not stop right here. Yes. The same energy that you have out here today is the same energy that you got to have from this day on. You gotta have it. This day on. This day on. Don't stop. We've rioted before. We've protested before. This has happened time and time and time again. It's happened time and time again. But it gotta be embedded in our hearts and our minds that it stops right now. You gotta go hard. Yeah. You gotta go hard for your people. You gotta go hard for your community. You gotta go hard for your brothers that are around you, your sisters that are around you. You gotta go hard in the justice system. You gotta go hard for policies. Pay attention to what's going on. My brothers, I love you. Young men, we got a lot of young men, young athletes that I train, that come and train at my gym. And they know, I don't just train your body, I train your mind. Because I want you to know your wealth. I want you to know who you are. I want you to know what you possess. I want you to know it. You are special, you are talented, you are God's gift, and you gotta wear it every day on your heart.